Okay, as you can see, I got most of my mess picked up, and this is new mess actually. And I got the window out. You can see right there, that board there is going to have to come out. This is going to have to come out, that's going to have to come out, this board here is going to have to come out. This panel's got to come off, so I can see how far back the rut goes into that wall. Up there at the corner of the tin, aluminum, I don't know if you can see it on here, see the crack? That needs to be sealed. You can see where they went around the window with silicone, instead of just loosening up the window just a little bit and shooting the silicone under it, where it can actually do some good. They just went around the edge and made it a bugger to get loose. Over here, you can see I got all that taken out, like I said I was going to do. For the most part, my wood looks good. I'm going to cut this, after I take this window off, I'm going to cut this about right there, put me a nailer in here, and just put a piece of 2x2 from here out. The rot only goes to there. So, this piece is good, this other piece is good, except for that. I need to put a couple nailers in here for fixtures that they seem to think they didn't need. But here, the wood is good, the wood going down is good, the wood underneath is good. I stabbed it with a screwdriver, it's solid. So I don't have to change any of that, which is really nice. Not a mess. But I think I'm getting to where I need to be on this. I'll loosen up the aluminum, and this piece here looks pretty solid, but I want to check it higher up. The outer piece I'll probably cut off, about right here, and just join it together and really cinch it up with this. Put some shims in there. And that should take care of that side. And that's where I'm at. Pain. Talk to you later. Bye.